Good morning, feeding ritual. Cozy and Bo. Izzy's already done. And Bumble is with the group, tethered on place, because he gets quite excited, but he did good. And there's the babies. My dad and my Carol mom are here this morning watching Feeding Ritual, and they're going, wow, that's amazing. It's pretty cool to watch. So, all right. I'm going to approach Bumble and see if I can get him to retreat. Shh, 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 shh. I need two hands. Bumble. Good. Wait. Shh. Okay. Good boy, Bumble. Good boy. All right. Okay. Signing out. Allie's Puppy Boot Camp. Luke, keep patches on place. Good. Sometimes you have to like turn the bowl to get their interest again. There, she's got it. And now do the same thing for Mia. They take a little bit to finish, which is fine. Okay. Bumble is a lot quieter than he was when he arrived. Bumble could not walk on a lead, could not be around other dogs at all, just way too excited. So we're making progress. Would not respect a human when they entered his space. As a matter of fact, he thought that was an invitation to launch at them and, you know, exuberantly, so much so that, you know, to give them who knows what, that no one could enjoy it. It was just too much. Now I actually was able to pet him a little bit yesterday and this morning without him going into orbit with way over excitement. And then Mia will just lay down in between bites, then she'll come back up and take some more. All right, signing out, Feeding Ritual on place.